Gut bacteria have become one of the most marketable topics in nutrition science. Every second ad now promises better digestion, stronger immunity, improved mood, and even smarter weight management, all through a single bacteria strain in a bottle. The science itself is real. The consumer products built around it are often far from it. A 2024 position paper in Nature Gastroenterology made the boundaries clear. Many marketed claims are not supported by current evidence. Let us start with the simplest category: probiotic drinks. They promise to populate your gut with good bacteria. The problem is that most commercial products contain a handful of generic strains at doses too low to establish themselves in the gut. Survival through stomach acid alone is not guaranteed, and colonization is a longer process than a single drink can support. A 2021 review in the Journal of Gastroenterology found limited evidence that over-the-counter probiotics help healthy adults, while benefits are clearer in specific clinical contexts like antibiotic-associated diarrhea. That is a narrower claim than marketing suggests. Fermented superfoods are marketed as ancient wisdom made convenient. Kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, kombucha, all legitimate foods with real microbial content. The issue is not the food itself, it is the dosage claim. A standard supermarket kombucha contains far fewer live organisms than the amounts used in studies showing health effects. A plain serving of sauerkraut often delivers more diversity and quantity than an expensive fermented drink with added flavors and sugar. The message is not to avoid fermented foods. It is to understand that the health claim belongs to the food category, not to a branded bottle. Microbiome testing kits now let you send a stool sample to a lab and receive a personalized gut profile. The science behind microbiome sequencing is genuine and advancing rapidly. The problem is the interpretation layer. Most reports generate colorful charts and percentages without explaining that many differences between healthy microbiomes are normal variation, not problems. Microbiome science is currently better at describing than at prescribing. A 2023 consensus statement in Cell pointed out that there is no validated individual microbiome target for general health optimization yet. A test is only useful if it changes a decision you can act on responsibly. Prebiotic fibers are the most evidence-backed product category here. Inulin, FOS, GOS, these are real substrates that known beneficial bacteria can use. But here again, marketing stretches the truth. Fiber-rich whole foods like asparagus, onions, garlic, oats, and legumes deliver more diversity and quantity than most prebiotic sachets. A targeted prebiotic supplement may help in specific cases, but replacing actual plant variety with a powder is downgrading your diet, not upgrading it. The microbiome responds to patterns, not single ingredients. So what actually works? First, eat 30 different plant foods per week, whole, mixed, and varied. That single habit is stronger than most single-ingredient supplements. Second, include fermented foods regularly if you tolerate them, but do not expect a bottle to fix a poor diet. Third, do not pay for a microbiome test unless your physician recommends it for a clinical reason. Fourth, if you have unexplained digestive issues, see a gastroenterologist before ordering tests on the internet. The gut is complex, and promises of quick answers are usually marketing, not medicine. No hype, just evidence.